Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a fun new way to add some brightness to any room, then you should get this little toast light from QANYI. This little nightlight is the absolute cutest thing I have ever seen. It is a little toaster with a piece of bread in it, and when you click the button, it lights up and it is toast. It is the cutest thing. It turns on and off with the little lever on the side, and it remembers the brightness that you left it at. It's also adjustable, so if you hold down the lever, you can go from hardly any light to extremely bright. If you double click the toggle, it has a 15-minute timer, so if you're using it as a nightlight, you don't have to worry about it staying on all night long, and it will save the battery life. This thing lasts for so long. It has a great battery life. It even comes with its own charger, and it plugs in right on the back there. It has a little indicator light to show that it's charging. So whether you are looking for a fun new nightlight or you just really like cute things like toast, then you should definitely get yourself this little toast nightlight. I think it is the cutest thing ever, and that is my point of view.